Chances are you've probably heard of gallstones. It might have been during a conversation with a friend or a family member, but it's a very common problem nowadays. Gallstones, or cholelithiasis, as they can also be called, is a disease that affects almost 10% of the world's population, and that's why we're talking its causes, symptoms, and natural treatments today. Gallstones are formed by changes in our bile acid that may occur due to a diet that is rich in fats and simple carbohydrates and poor in fiber. Furthermore, not exercising, smoking, and long-term use of contraceptives can also contribute to the appearance of this disease. And, more than anything else, genetics play an important role in whether or not you're likely to develop gallstones. The symptoms range from a fever, diarrhea, yellowed eyes, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, but biliary colic is the main one. This come-and-go kind of pain happens on the right side of your abdomen and persists for 30 minutes to an hour after meals, but it goes away as soon as you digest the food, since your vesicle doesn't need to produce bile anymore. Since your liver and vesicle are part of the same digestive process, it is also affected and manifests symptoms. So even though nausea, vomiting, and swelling aren't specific to gallstones, they can also be a sign that you might have them. If you think you might be suffering from this disease, you should consult a doctor to run the correct tests and get diagnosed as soon as possible. Any treatments must be overseen by a specialist and have to be specific to the size and symptoms. Medication and shockwave treatments can also be prescribed. If you want to try a natural treatment, you must avoid fatty foods such as fried foods or red meats and start including physical activities in your daily routine. Try to eat more fibers such as fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, whole grains, chia and flax seeds, etc. Staying hydrated is also key to recovering, so drink lots of water, tea, or fresh juices, preferably sugar-free. If you choose to try a homemade treatment, burdock and boldo tea can both reduce swelling and get rid of the stones. To make the tea, place 1 teaspoon of boldo and 1 teaspoon of burdock root in 500 milliliters of boiling water. Wait 10 minutes, drain it, and then drink your tea. Drink it twice a day, an hour after lunch and dinner. Talk to your doctor before starting this treatment, since the presence of symptoms such as abdominal pain may rule it out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.